Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading on our holidays.
Yay.
We're heading down to Alton Towers first and then we're going to Blackpool.
Yay.
So this is just going to be our travel day of the day, and we'll try and film as much as we can. So we're going to Gretna Green first to do a wee bit of shopping. I want to try and get another pair of trainers, you know what I mean?
I wonder how many people will just assume that we're just going to get married.
Probably quite a few. Probably my mum's sitting by her phone going, I'll just wait until they text me because you never know.
We're not going to get married.
No, we're not getting married. Talking about marriages, what do you say? You want to grab that, Nats? When we got engaged, we pre-ordered these off Amazon in like February and they've just arrived. How cool are they? So we got, so you can see that in the light, we got this one because we think it looks like Minnie's engaged. See, is that better? Is that focusing? Now that my face is at it?
Yeah, it's got little rings on it and it's got little, like this one's got roses and little M's for Mickey Mouse.
And then this one here for me.
It's Mickey and he's got rings and kisses and Minnie Mouses.
We thought it looked pretty cool.
We just thought, oh, they look a little bit like they've just got engaged and we got them. I mean, I know it's September and we got engaged in January.
Aye.
They just kept getting delayed, but they're finally here, so.
I know, they look pretty sweet.
I love them.
We'll show you probably in a later vlog. We'll actually open them up. We've not opened them yet because like they literally just came the other day, you know what I mean? So we're running a wee bit late because of me packing last minute.
It's always the way. Literally every single time he's like, I don't need this, I don't need this. I mean, and even I'm usually packed a week before and I only packed yesterday. I tried to have a little bit of a try out of this method and I don't like it. So next trip I will be packing a week in advance again.
I mean, I literally just packed this morning. That's me just finished when we picked the camera up. So we best get going. And
can you tell them how many jackets you've packed?
Well, it's not jackets. I've got 2 hoodies and I've got 2 jackets. One jacket's in case it's cold and one jacket's in case it's rained. That's smart.
We looked at the weather and it's supposed to be 27 degrees tomorrow and
hey, you never know.
26 degrees on Wednesday. We're in a water park, we don't need a jacket.
Hey, you know, I'm telling you, just watch this space. See the second it starts raining, I'm taking this camera out and I'm saying, I told you so.
I've got my yellow waterproof jacket and I've got this cardigan. We don't need any more.
We can't have too many jackets.
TV me.
Right, so we'll get going and we'll try and show you some of the the road on the way down and that, but Gretna Green's going to be our first stop off to go shopping. See you then. Alright guys, that's us just at Gretna. Well, not really just at Gretna, we just...
here for about 2 hours.
Aye, we just went round the shops because I was looking for a jacket.
And trainers.
And trainers, but we didn't really see it, didn't we? No. Nah. Gretna sometimes is a hit or a miss, you know what I mean? Sometimes you get stuff, sometimes you don't. So what we did buy was we thought we would try this. We've not tried this one before. I'll let you know, well we might not be able to let you know in this vlog, but we'll hopefully let you know in some other vlogs if this is any good. It's the Winter Orange edition. Natalie got a couple of candles.
You got passion fruit martini.
Right.
Which smells so
good. This wee one here, aye, this one is amazing smelling. And it was £6.95. And then we got this big bad boy, which this is cracking as well. I like lime stuff. So this smells really good. And for this big huge one it was $14.99. Also what we got,
which is actually a really good deal by the way, because see, literally yesterday I was in Braehead in the Yankee candle store and I was gonna buy this actual size for this one and it was like $17.99.
No, I think the big ones for that were 20 quid.
Oh, they were?
I think they were 20 quid. And then I've been looking for a face wash, which is pretty sad I know, but I can never get a good face wash, and I decided to buy this just to try it, see if it's any good. It was reduced from £18 to £13.50, which is, I thought, not too bad. So, and Natalie, every time we go away in the car, she gets, what did you get?
Well, I got a salted caramel and cream frostino with coffee because I need it.
Aye, she needs it at this time in the morning. Oh, it's lunchtime now, isn't it?
It is lunchtime and I haven't had a coffee today, I'll be honest with you.
No,
I haven't had anything.
No.
So...
Well, we're going to an Airbnb, we're probably about 2 hours away. When we get to the Airbnb, we'll give you guys a wee show around the place. Maybe give you a wee tour of Stoke on Trent as well. I'm not too sure if that'll be in this vlog or if we might do another vlog for that. We'll wait and see. Alright.
Bye. See you in Stoke.
I didn't know what to do there. Right, we'll see you in Stoke. Just as we were driving away from Gretna Green there, we noticed this wee house on the left hand side and we had to do a wee U-turn to come back and show you it. It's an old toll bar. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's fun. In this tiny little building.
I know. So we've just arrived at the Airbnb. Let's get inside. Well, I tell a lie, we've actually been here for a wee while and we just went and got the bags. How cool does this place look? We're right on the main road, right next to the shopping centre. Looks cracking. Just give you a wee tour. Hello. In a second, just to put my can down. There's a bathroom. Oh, that's a bedroom light. Bathroom looks cracking. Nice, big, clean. So far.
It's lovely.
Isn't it?
I thought I was going to like, it said it's up loads of stairs and I was like, last time I stayed in the Airbnb it was in Glasgow and it was like the top of the 10-minute building, but it's been like 2 flights.
It's still up.
How high we are, we're not really that high.
We are still up sort of stairs, as you can see, we're on the main road, but aye, it's a cracking wee place. There's a wee living room area. We've got a few windows there, which is good. Got a wee tiny TV, it's about the size of my phone, but that's fine. And then you've got a cracking kitchen area. And this was actually cheaper than going to a hotel, which is good. Looks as if it's in a nice area. And they left us some flavours.
There's a Kit Kat in the fridge.
And there's a Kit Kat in the fridge. That has been our travel day.
Yeah.
Been pretty cool. I'm going to take this off actually because I'm going to end up getting left with a line in my head.
It's very warm.
Oh, it's roasting. I just put this hoodie on to carry up the stairs. It's like 26 degrees down here, which is crazy.
Scotland in the rain.
I know. So we're just going to head over to the shopping centre, see what there is to eat because we're starving. You know, the empty all day. Don Natalie's been eating Ghost mini milk bottle things for Marks and Spencer's.
The little spooky boots.
Aye. So we're just going to head across and see if we can get something to eat. And that's us. We'll check everybody's next time when we're going to Alton. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give us a big thumbs up.
We're going to go for pictures and stuff.
Aye, but I don't know, we're not going to vlog that.
No, but I was just letting them know.
Aye, we're going to go to the pictures tonight and see Candyman and get something to eat. So if you enjoyed the vlog, give us a big like and subscribe please because it really helps us out. See you later.
Bye.